Hello, everyone. Today I'm excited to explain ex the explainable AI in the financial risk management. Actually, in the financial industry, the management risk, particularly the low deposit risk, is crucial. Every decision you make about the leading affects your bottom line and it impacts the customer trust. The traditional models have often been used to assess the risks, but one of the biggest challenge is that these models, like the black box machine learning models, provide the limited insight into why certain decisions are made. This is where the explainable AI comes into play. The explainable AI allows us to not only predict the loan defaults, but also understand the reason behind these predictions. This transcription ensures that we can make decisions with confidence and demonstrates the compliance with the regulations, and the most importantly, builds a contrast with our customer. So let's talk about the features that drive the predictors for the loan defaults. Some of the key features that our models look at the includes the interest rate, the rate that is which the loan is issued can indicating the borrower risk profile. And the higher rate may signal higher perceived risk, but they can also affect the lower ability to pay. And the annual income, the higher incomes suggest a strong ability to repay. In the credit history, the borrower past behavior is an indicator of the future behavior. And the larger loan amount tend to carry more risk, especially if the borrower financial situation is unsustainable. So using the machine learning models like the light GBM and the logistic regression, we can identify the complex patterns between those features and the default risk, helping us to make more informed leading decisions. But um, but while these models can give us the high level of prediction accuracy and the true powers lies in the explainability. So when you deploy the machine learning models, it is essential to ensure that the decision made by these models are not only accurate but also understandable. So this is why the explainable AI scheme charger for the financial institution. So such as the regulatory compliance, the financial regulatory increasingly demand the transparency, and explainable AI ensures that you can justify why a particular decisions are made. And the customer contract, in the competitive market, the customer contract is the paramount, but by providing the transcript and the understandable reasons for the loan approval or rejection, you can you show your customers that the decision made fairly. And the explainable AI also helps identify the bias in the decision-making process. For instance, we can examine whether a certain demographic group unfairly impacted by the loan rejection and takes the action to rectify that. So now let's look at how the explainable AI enhance the finance risk management through the practical tools. And the shapes, using the shapes, we can show that the contributions in of each features to a specific prediction. For example, for a customer with a high interest loan and the low income, the shape can help us visualize exactly how these features contribute to the model's decision to flag the features as high risk. Actually, the low interpretable models with the link, we can provide the more localized explanation. For example, if the customer is project for a loan, the link can help explain why and how specific data points such as incomes or credit scores and contribute to the projection. And also the PDPs provide the visual presentation of how changes in the single features, such as interest rate, affect the likelihood of the loan default. This plot can help us to understand the overall behavior of the models and guides the adjustment to leading policies. So in the conclusion, the explainable AI is not just the technical innovation. It's a business necessity, and by integrating the explainable AI into your financial risk management framework, particularly in lending, you can make better, more transparent decisions that build your trust with your customer and ensure the compliance with regulation and immediately drives the business success. Thank you for your time, and we're looking forward to discuss how we can implement this solution with your organization.